Beetroots or beets aren't necessarily a staple in many people's diets, but they probably should be. These unique root vegetables may offer a wide array of health benefits, from lowering blood pressure to improving athletic performance. They also contain a variety of nutrients and compounds that you won't find in many other foods. Whether you're adding beets to a salad or drinking beet juice, these vegetables are easy to incorporate into your diet. A single serving of beets can boost your energy and lower your blood pressure. Eating beets long-term can help you fight cancer, reduce arthritic pain, and lose weight, as well as assisting in a number of other health areas. In this video we outline 10 health benefits of eating beetroots. Before proceeding, please do consider subscribing to this channel for more natural healing tips in the future. Number 1. Digestive health. A high fiber count makes beetroot and beetroot juice a prime choice for those with digestive issues. Fiber helps to promote digestive and colon health by cleaning out the gastrointestinal system and making for regular, healthy bowel movements. Number 2. Lowers blood pressure. Beetroot has components that widens the blood vessels and lowers blood pressure that helps in preventing associated risk of heart attacks and strokes. Studies states that daily intake of beetroot can stabilize the blood pressure dramatically. Number 3. Reduces bad cholesterols. Beetroot has a great deal of soluble fibers and flavonoids which are known to have cholesterol-lowering capabilities. It leads in reducing the oxidation of bad cholesterol, and do not let it settle to the artery. This also lowers the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 4. Energy booster. Beetroot is also great for providing energy and boosting stamina. The nitrates found in beets improves athletic performance, due to the effect that they have on mitochondria, the part of the cell that produces energy. Number 5. Bone health. Including beetroot in your diet also means stronger bones as well as teeth. Beetroot contains silica that helps the body utilize calcium properly. Calcium is the key nutrient for healthy and strong bones. Beetroot is also rich in other bone-healthy nutrients like folate, vitamin C, manganese, magnesium, and copper. All these nutrients play a key role in building and strengthening your bones. Number 6. Treating anemia. Many people think that the red color of beetroot is helpful in replacing the lost blood, but the truth is, the beet is highly contained in iron which helps in the formation of hemagglutinin in the body, and therefore it is helpful in treating anemia. Number 7. Body cleanse. Beetroot works to cleanse and clarify the liver. It can also purify the blood, and has been shown to help prevent some forms of cancer. Eating beetroot can also indicate whether a person has low amounts of stomach acid. This is shown if their urine turns pink. Number 8. Weight loss. Beets taste sweet, but a cup of cooked beet contains only 60 calories and is full of fiber. This is a perfect food for weight management. The sugars in beets are smart carbs, since they come in a natural whole food form. Unlike white sugar, the beet calories come with a lot of nutrients and phytochemicals. Number 9. Great antioxidant. Antioxidants help to reverse the daily accumulated wear and tear on the body, known as aging. Beets are a very good source of commonly known antioxidants like vitamin C and manganese, but it is their lesser-known antioxidants which give them their true value. Number 10. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause damage to healthy tissue and increase your risk of long-term health problems like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. The dark red color of beets is caused by behalan, a phytonutrient produced by plants that has antioxidant properties. Behalan has anti-inflammatory properties because it can suppress enzymes that are associated with inflammation. Beets pack a mighty punch when it comes to nutrients, and they can help combat inflammation and prevent some chronic diseases. By incorporating beets into a colorful, healthy diet, you can reap many health benefits. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm ranking it high. Please subscribe to our Natural Healing channel for future health tips and to help us reach a target of 3,000 subscribers. The Healing Factor is a motivated team that produce high-quality educational videos about natural healing for you. Stay connected and wish you great health.